Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Y'all, it's been a minute. I have a Hobby Lobby Christmas haul. I can't help it. I am digging into the Christmas a little sooner than than others. I don't know. You know what? I'll be very honest. The reason I'm digging so soon this year is because I remember last year I had a difficult time finding things in the store that I wanted to. Online, they're already all sold out, and in the store as well. So honestly, I am ordering now things that I know, I have a feeling that they will not be there, let's say a month from now. I don't know, maybe they will, maybe they'll bring back. But I remember last year, it was pretty sad when I went one day. It was so many things just flew off the shelf. And it was like a month before Christmas. You guys, what I did, I didn't go into the store. I actually made this order online. There's a lot of stuff already that are sold out. I am telling you, there's some things that I wanted so much and they're like sold out and online, sold out online, sold out online. And I'm like, hopefully they have it in the store, but I haven't had a chance to go there yet. So let me show you quickly. This is one of them. I got 3 of them, but you know what? I actually took out my address. So you know what? This is gonna be fast because these boxes are, the way they package everything so nicely. So honestly, there's just like a little thing in here, but it's packaged like that. So we're gonna go through these 3 boxes really quickly. Let's go ahead and open this box quickly. You guys, I don't know why, but I'm so excited about Christmas. Honestly, I can just start doing Christmas DIYs now, you know, and Christmas shopping now. Although I still have to do some fall. And you know what? I'll be very honest. I don't know what to do because I have for Christmas, for Thanksgiving, I have my brother and his girlfriend come and my mom. But usually for Thanksgiving, my house is already done for Christmas. But this time around, I wanted it to be more like Thanksgiving kind of like still fall. But then I wanted them to see the Christmas decor because they're not gonna make it. I don't think they're gonna make it for Christmas here because they have to go to her family for Christmas. So I don't know what to do. Should I have some fall and Christmas, or maybe just leave fall? I don't know what to do, but I know that I'm ready for Christmas. They package really, really well. Look at this, you guys. Like, so here is just one thing, and look how they package. Okay, here, because I'm having this, look at this. I think they're glass, I'm not sure. So the original price was $29.99. I paid for this $17.99. I'm gonna put the prices down below as well. Oh, yes, one thing that I forgot to say, everything, I think up until today, it's 40% off. They do have 50 closer to Christmas, but like I said, when they have 50 closer to Christmas, they don't have the things that I want. So this is by Robert Stanley, Home Collection, 24 pieces. It looks like they're glass. It doesn't, yep, fragile glass ornaments. And if y'all, for those of you that have been following me and you saw the last year, I had in our previous home, our coffee and cocoa bar and whatnot, all was this, what do you call the candy cane or peppermint, whatever theme. I'm doing this year too. I will have probably again maybe 13 Christmas trees, and I don't know where the peppermint theme is gonna go, but I know that I saw this and I'm like, I need more ornaments for this peppermint candy cane theme situation. So you guys, you see how quick that was? 1 box is done. Yep, and this was $17.99. Okay, so now let's go ahead. This is box number 2, you guys, right here. We'll dig into this one. So for everything that you'll see today, I paid, with the 40% off, I paid, I believe, $160, $167 with taxes and everything. So guys, look how nicely packaged. I'm telling you, look at this. There is nothing breaks in here. I'm gonna clean that later, don't worry about it. Okay. I have the little paper here that shows what I have in here. Alrighty. I got 4 of this candy cane trio tinsel picks. You ready for this? These were $5.99 after the 40% off. Because the regular price were $9.99 right here. Y'all, do you see this? Do you see this? And how big and how beautiful and gorgeous this is. I am so excited about Christmas. I am dying. I don't know how to explain. This is just a feeling that I don't know how to explain. It just makes me so warm. The whole fall and Christmas in general. But how beautiful is this? If you remember, oh my God, I'm gonna link that video in the description box below. I found last year also Tinsel, these big lollipops, huge, bigger than my head. And I used them as stars on 4 of my trees. They're beautiful. I'm actually gonna link that video if you guys wanna watch it. But look how gorgeous this is, y'all. I mean, come on. It's beautiful for $5.99. So I bought four of this. I should have gotten more. I got this for the tree that's gonna to go into the tree, whichever room is gonna have this peppermint. I don't know, but yeah. Then I got this peppermint twig candle ring. After the 40% off, it was $4.79. I got 2 of them. Here's one. The other one must be in another box because I see only one over here. So there you go. The original price would have been $7.99. But like I said, I got it for $4.79 after the 40% off. Look how cute this is. So, do you see, guys? This is really, really gorgeous. And this is for a candle. So this is a fall candle, but you know what I mean? For a Christmas candle, it's gonna be so pretty. Very beautiful. I'm gonna do one of the guest room in a peppermint. This rings is gonna go on each of their nightstand, and with a candle, that's gonna be pretty. That's gonna be pretty. Okay, then I got 4 peppermint picks. This right here, you guys. I got 4 of these peppermint picks, and they were $2.99 original price, but I got them for $1.79 because, like I said, I don't know where's the 4th, so I'm just 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, there's 4 in here. Okay, and $1.79 after the 40% off. Look how pretty this is, you guys. Very pretty. And then I got 2 of this. Okay, I know there are 2. Okay, there you go. We still have like, okay. Then I got this red and white glitter peppermint picks, 2 right here. They're $4.19 each. After the 40% off, the original price was $6.99. I'll be very honest. I think that for this tiny picks, it's a little expensive, maybe, I don't know, $4. I remember I paid for the huge ones last year, like 8 or 7. So, you know, this after the 40% came to $4.19. But you know what? They're very cute. And I have 2 huge ones. I have 2 huge ones just like that, and then 4 a little different kinds, but like huge. Okay, then let's see what we have here quickly. Oh my God. Oh, you guys, I did, yes, I see it because I did get fall mugs. I did. Look how pretty this is. So this was in regular price $9.99. I only paid for it $5.99. Look at this. It says autumn leaves and pumpkin lattes, please. Look how beautiful this is, and it's a pretty big mug. So I got this for our coffee bar right now. I have a lot of Christmas mugs. I don't have a lot of fall mugs. And I'll be honest with you, I haven't even unpacked a lot of fall, so I'm so behind already. But I'm so behind, but I'm already digging into Christmas. Okay, then let's see. Okay, I got you this. You guys, this is crazy. Do you see this? Do you see how much? Well, but you know what? I'm glad they did come all very... I got 2 packages of this, you guys. What are this? Iridescent peppermint bowl ornaments. I got 2 of this. After the discount, after the 40%, they came to $7.79. The original price is $12.99. So they look like this. Very gorgeous. Shatterproof. Very nice. And I got 2. So I'm not even going to open the second one because, yeah, it's the same thing right here. So box number 2 done. All we have now is box number 3 and we're done. You guys, do you see that I have a little Christmas booty right here? Isn't it cute? I got it from not from Wish, from Miss A. Miss A, I think it's called. Yeah. So I only shopped from there once. I actually would like to do another haul on them, so maybe I'll go in because they have cute little things like this. Look at this Christmas booty. Oh my god, it's so cute. Okay, again, look at this, so beautifully packaged. Well, I'm very impressed. Oh, there's the second candle ring right here. Well, these are, how many do I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, it looks like I got 5. What are this? Hold on. Red and white, neat candy pick. Neat, how cute. Look at this. These are material ones. Do you guys see this? How adorable are this? Okay, so listen, the original price was $3.99. I paid for each $2.39 after the 40% discount. Look at this. Gorgeous. Oh, hello. Guys, how pretty. And do you see this little bow over here? Very cute. This would be so easy to remake, or how do you say? If you just go to Walmart and you get this, you know, they have coming in a packages of 5 like little material, how do you call it? But yeah, so, and then you get ball, like this foam balls, and it's cheaper if you get them from Amazon because you get like 10 of them for, I don't know, a couple bucks, I don't know. So anyways, and then, you know, these picks, that would be really easy to remake, huh? But it's not, I mean, it's $2 on its own, so $2.39. So I got 5 of this. So cute. And then what's in here? Okay. Okay, Merry Christmas peppermint ornament. This is an ornament. It was $3.59. So the, okay, it's very cute. So the original price was $5.99. So I got it for $3.59. Look at this, how adorable this is actually. Merry Christmas, and it's glittery. Do you guys see the glitter on your end? I like it. Me like. Next, let's see. Gosh, it takes me longer to unpack these things than to show them. Y'all understand what I'm saying? Another fall mug. I think I got like 4 fall mugs, so I'm very excited to show them all to you guys. Oh, look at this. So this was also $9.99 original price, and I got it for $5.99. Look how beautiful. Look how beautiful this mug is. Very autumn, very fall. So cute. I guess more. crazy. I think it cost them more for this than what the got stuck to me. What the actual item is. Get off me! Bye. Okay. Yes, that's an. Oh, that's a big mug. And that's a cute one. Also $9.99 original price. And I got it for $5.99. This is a huge mug. So if you look at this one, you see how much bigger this is? Y'all see this, right? Look at this. It has this girl but with the pumpkins, and she's looking all chic and nice. Very pretty. I love this mug a lot. It's gonna be my mug. Obviously, if I don't break it before I take it to the bar. There you go. Guys, two more things. Two more things and we're done. And it's another peppermint situation here because I can see it. This is crazy. But you know what? At least I have a lot of this packing bubbles or whatever you call them. That's a lot. And you know what? They come in handy. Okay, these are two. Let me see. Okay, so this is the red and white striped candy. Okay, so this is the one. Red and white striped candy ornaments. And this, they're both the same price though. And this is the iridescent peppermint ornaments. This is also the original price, $12.99. And I got it for $7.79 each. They're really pretty, aren't they? And one more thing, you guys, and we're done with this. The mug. This is the last mug. It's a fall item. Happy fall, y'all. Yes, y'all. Happy fall. Look at this. This one, I thought that Justin is gonna like it a lot because it's black. It's very boyish, but not necessarily. It's really pretty. So this was actually $7.99 original price, and I paid for this $4.79. But the original was $7.99. All the other ones were $9.99. This was $7.99. And this is really pretty. And that's it. That's all. Now if you see, the mess in here is insane. Okay, you guys, this is it. I hope you like this haul, and I hope y'all don't mind that I'm already into the Christmas, like going into the Christmas theme, but I can't help it. And like I said, the main reason is because I am worried that things are just not going to be available the closer we get to Christmas. So anyways, you guys, I hope you like this haul. If you did, please give me the thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. I love you all, and I'm gone.